I can boil it down, you actually may have found a cure for cancer or some form of cancer. Is that true though? I mean, at some level, is it a specific kind of cancer that are potentially with human?
So that's a great question. So very much like my career, this was a circuitous laboratory journey. Our intention or our thought was that this genetic abnormality, which was present in things like squamous cell cancer of the lung, of the head, neck, or the esophagus, even some cervical cancers, we could target that abnormality in these cancers. And as we did our investigation, our lab developed a knockout mouse, and we found that the knockout mouse was resistant to just about any form of cancer development. So whether we injected the mouse with cancer cells, we gave it carcinogen, we genetically manipulated the environment to induce cancer, that mouse was very resistant. And the mechanism revolves around the fact that it wasn't working on the cancer cells, it was working on the microenvironment that fed the cancer cells. And the models that we've tested in thus far in mice include breast, lung, melanoma, ovary, pancreas, and there's one or two others that I just can't recall. But we saw efficacy at a very, very high level in the mouse model. And this it's the reason I think why the drug was licensed, and it's sort of developing further now. The pathway that this gene works on actually may have a much broader implication for human disease. So it's one of those things that could have a much broader role, and not only in cancer but beyond cancer.